Very good morning. So today I am going to explain about that construction equipment. So this is unit number 3, construction equipment. So while you are constructing a building or a project, a major project, you need a major equipment. So without equipment you can't do the work. So with the proper equipment, so you can complete the project within a short period of time, with safety, with economy, with all regarding points. So without like much proper equipment, so you can't complete the work. So in the constructing a project, while doing the project in the construction, so what are the equipments are going to use in the construction field? Like you are already well known that all like you are seeing outside suppose any major work like road construction, while building construction, while bridge construction, while any like flyover construction. So you can see visibly like different types of equipments, like machineries, like different equipments like. So but you don't know how to operate, or you don't know what is the operation of that particular equipment. So as a civil engineering student, you must know and how to operate, and for which work you have to use which equipment, that is very important. So regarding that, we are going to construction equipment. So in the construction equipment, around 15 to 30% of total project cost is related to the machinery and equipment cost. Suppose the project cost is suppose 100 rupees, and in that 100 rupees, 15 to 30 rupees of the amount is towards the equipment, like maybe procuring the equipment, or maybe purchasing, or maybe rent, whatever it may be. The common is you have to put the toward the amount is 15 to 30% of the total project cost toward the machinery parts. And while constructing a building or doing a project, so what are the different machinery parts you are going to use? So that machinery parts are classification of construction. These are the classifications of construction equipment. Earth moving equipment. So while earth moving equipment, nothing but simply you are like digging, excavation, like these are all called earth moving equipment. And hauling equipment. So while doing a project, you are using hauling equipment, hoisting equipment, conveying equipment, aggregates and concrete production equipment, file driving equipment, and pumping and dewatering equipment. So these are the different types of the equipment. So you are using while the constructions of the project or constructions of a building. So then by using these all what do you call the construction equipment, what you are going to do the work. So the work is while you operate, what are the operations are involved in that one? Excavation, digging, moving, placement, compacting, leveling, dosing, grading, and hauling. So these are all different classifications of that works. So then again I will explain for the each and every equipment. So with the diagrams, how the earth moving, what is the classifications of the earth moving equipment, and also what are the coming under hauling equipment, hoisting equipment, conveying, aggregates, file driving, pumping. So these are all again I will see the diagrams, I will show the diagrams, and then you can have a clear idea. So then that will be explained in